You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove the triangle's inequality. So let's go. So for proving this triangle's inequality, first of all let me draw this triangle here. Now I am going to extend this side A. Okay, like this I will extend the side A, and I will extend such that when I join these 2 points, then this angle and this angle becomes equal. Let's suppose theta and this is theta as well, so this becomes 2 theta from the exterior angle property of triangle, and if this is B, then this is also B, which is side opposite to equal angles are equal. Now let me name this angle alpha, and in my previous video I have told you that greater angle has greater side. So here you can see that this angle is theta plus alpha and this is theta only, so obviously this angle is greater than theta. Therefore the corresponding side of theta plus alpha, that is A plus B, must be greater than the corresponding side of theta, that is C. So we can write A plus B is greater than C. Like that you can prove all 3 inequalities. Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.